Welcome back to TechKnowPoint. This video is continuation of HTML tutorial series, and today we will discuss about HTML tags, attributes, elements, and also we will start with our first Hello World program. So, what are HTML tags? HTML tags are used to mark up HTML elements, and they are generally surrounded by two characters known as angular brackets. These tags occur in pair, though there are few exceptions which we will discuss later. The very first tag in the pair is the start tag, and the second one is the end tag. And the content present in between these two tags is nothing but the content of the element which will be displayed on your web page. Also note that HTML is not a case sensitive language, but lowercase is preferred for convenience. Now we will see the basic structure of HTML document and the basic tags present in it. This basic structure of HTML document is also known as boilerplate. The very first tag in this document is the doc type, and it is used to specify the type of document being shared over the browser. The next comes HTML tags. It is used as a boundary for entire HTML code, and our code will be present in between the start and end of HTML tag. Next comes the head tag, which has a title tag in it, and as name specifies, it gives the title to the web page. This title tag may also include the description, meta description, and CSS and JavaScript links in it. Next very important tag is a body tag, and the actual content of the web page, which may include paragraphs, images, videos, or etc., is present in this body tag. Here you can see that this is my first home page, is nothing but the content of the element, and this will be displayed on your web page. Now let us talk about tag attributes. HTML tags can have HTML attributes which provide additional information and features to the web page, and these attributes generally occur in the pair of name and value. We will discuss them while coding. For sorted coding experience, you must create a HTML folder where you can store your all the HTML code and HTML files. Here I am creating one on my desktop, and after creating the folder, I will go into text editor, which is our Sublime Text. Here select file HTML so that your all the codes are stored in HTML folder, and in that folder again create a new file or new project. Let it be untitled for now, and we'll start with our coding. So here I am writing all the basic tags which we studied earlier. Here I am not adding the title, or should I? Yes, I am adding the title first web page. So this will be the title of our web page, and now I'll create a body tag. We will keep the body tag empty here so that we can understand it more better. And now we will add the name to the file which has been created right now. You can give any title. Here I am adding it as hello HTML. So save your code, come out of the Sublime Text Editor and go into the folder, that is our HTML folder, and look for the file which is being created, which has automatically turned into the symbol of your by default browser. Here it is Chrome, and open it. So after opening our HTML folder, you can see a blank web page. This web page is blank as we haven't provided any content in the body tag while coding, but this web page has a title which we provided, that is first web page. Now we will try to write something in the body tag, and let's see what happens. Here in the body tag I'll be writing hello world. So it's like a ritual that your first program must be hello world and you should say hi to everyone. And after refreshing, you can see hello world on your web page. Now we will talk about a trick, you can say, to see the HTML and CSS code of any web page. It is very simple. You just have to click anywhere on the web page or right click and then click on inspect, and you'll get the HTML and CSS code. And as you go through the code, various part on the web page gets highlighted, which means that particular line is associated with particular stuff on the web page. So that's it. It's that simple. And now coming back to our HTML stuff, now we will discuss about HTML comments. So we write comments in the HTML for the help of coders, or for the one who is going to see the code. The one who is reading the web page will not be able to see the comments, as comments are ignored by the browser. So you can add comments in HTML using syntax, angle bracket, exclamation mark, dash dash. Whatever comment you have to write, here I am writing this is a comment. Then again close your comment. You have to close your comment the way you started, that is double dash and angle bracket. And you can see there is no change in the web page because these comments are ignored by the browser. So today we will stop here. I hope you are clear with this concept of HTML. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section below.